Hey, what are you doing?
Hi, good morning. Good to see you. I'm actually polishing a blade with my finger. I do not recommend that you ever do this. Please, you're going to, as I could, cut my finger, okay, just like this. Drag it right on out, like that. Come over here like this, like that. You can go back over here like that. Okay. I have tough fingers. All right, just like this. Move right along. Okay, now we have a knife that's actually that sharp, clear out there. So that's for all you people who say I can't polish a blade. So I can either do it this way, light, or I do it this way, really light. No pressure on the knife, just the weight of the knife. I do this, like that. Okay, wait a second. This is for all you people who say the Carbide V just rips metal off. Oh, come on. Rips metal off of the blade. Guess what? I don't see any metal being ripped off of that blade. And then I'll do the tip like this, like that, and I end up with this. One more time. Oh, catch. It's Brad Buckner, SharpensBest.com. I know a whole lot more than you do, and I know a whole lot more about hand sculpting your blade. We'll see you later.